Thinking about deleting your Apple ID? Whether it's to start fresh, close an old account, or protect your data, it's important to do safely because your Apple ID is linked to iCloud, apps, purchases, and more. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Apple ID safely so you can close your account without any surprises. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, go to your web browser using Safari, and then go to privacy.apple.com. Here you will see a notification asking you if you want to sign in to privacy.apple.com with your Apple account. If yes, just tap on sign in. And once you have signed in, you can see there's a lot of ways to manage your data. And right at the bottom, you have an option to delete your account. So delete your account says that you are permanently deleting your account and associated data from all Apple apps and services. Tap on request to delete your account. This will take a little while to load. Once you have successfully entered the delete your account page, do scroll through and read what happens when your account is deleted. These are the points to note that once your account is deleted, you will not be able to access Apple services, your photos, videos, and documents will be permanently deleted, and you will not receive messages and so on and so forth. So make sure these information are being read thoroughly before you decide to delete your account. So right at the bottom, you are able to select a reason. For example, you would like to stop using your account. Then tap on continue. And the last part, there will be important things for you to note before deleting your account. Make sure you read through all of them. Then tap on continue and follow through the instructions to confirm deletion of your Apple ID. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.